It's the Melon Sandbox Show, so many adventures to explore. There was always something every day. Melon, apple, corn, pumpkin, dragon fruit, cactus, tomato, robot. All find their way to solve problems. Melon Sandbox Show.
The Invincible Chicken.
Hi guys, my name is Tomato and today we are going to hunt a chicken. And kids watch and learn. It is super safe for kids to run around with a shotgun and shoot people in the face. But I'm doing a chicken. Bro die. Let's just shove this machete up this chicken's butt 38 times. Now let's just do the head. How are you still alive? Car time. Flamethrower. I tried literally everything to explode you, but you did not.
That chicken is way too strong. That is one immortal chicken.